Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 6th edition of the Intersekt FinTech Festival.
It's great to have you all with us. I think there are more than 800 delegates here. It is a packed program. So let's do this. Let's get on with today's show.
It's great to be here in person, and it's great to see just how excited people are in terms of attending today's conference and what an exciting buzz there is in the room.
I am so excited to see people in person from all over the country, so many different geographies coming together, and to hear about what's hot in FinTech.
This would have to be my 4th or 5th year attending. It's been absolutely fantastic. It is so awesome to be able to see so many different faces again.
And we've got not just fintechs, but people from all different industries here today. We've got the banks, we've got the regulators, we've got entrepreneurs, we've got venture capitalists. It's amazing.
The best thing about this event is really networking and getting to see people within the fintech industry, people who are dealing with the same challenges and opportunities, and also a great chance to meet potential new partners as well.
What I am most looking forward to about this year's festival is the meetups. I have so many meetings in the diary centered around this festival, and I think that is the value of the Intersekt Festival full stop.
We are an energised, motivated, engaged, intelligent and impressive community of people. I have no doubt that we will continue to thrive and survive as a community, and that next year we will have a lot more exciting things to talk about.